Today, I'll show you how to connect a Cloudflare managed domain to your server. First, log into your Cloudflare account and open the domain you want to connect. Before changing anything, you need your server's public IP address. You can usually find it inside your hosting control panel, VPS dashboard, or server provider account. Once you have the IP address, go back to Cloudflare. From the left side menu, click DNS, then select Records. Now click Add Record. For the record type, choose A. In the name field, enter @ if you want to connect the main domain, like yourdomain.com, to your server. In the IPv4 address field, enter your server's public IP address. Now choose the proxy status. If you want Cloudflare protection, caching, and SSL features, keep the cloud icon orange, which means proxied. If you want the domain to connect directly to your server without Cloudflare proxy, click the cloud icon and change it to DNS only. For most websites, proxied is recommended. Now click Save. Next, you may also want to connect the www version of your domain. Click Add Record again. This time, choose CNAME as the record type. In the name field, enter www. In the target field, enter your main domain, for example, yourdomain.com. Keep the proxy status proxied, then click Save. Now go to SSL/TLS in the left side menu. Under Overview, choose the correct SSL mode. If your server already has an SSL certificate installed, select Full. If your server has a valid certificate from a trusted certificate authority, select Full Strict. Avoid using Flexible unless you understand the limitations, because it only encrypts traffic between the visitor and Cloudflare, not between Cloudflare and your server. After saving the DNS records and SSL settings, open your browser and visit your domain. If the website loads from your server, the connection is working. If it does not work immediately, wait a few minutes and try again, because DNS changes may need some time to update. And that's it. You've successfully connected a Cloudflare managed domain to your server. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.